The foam was delivered, and it's one of the bigger pieces of the vehicle, so it was very nice to see it come through the door. Everything looks good. It looks like the model on the computer screen, which is always nice. When it comes in the door and you see it for real, as opposed to staring at it on the computer screen, it always seems way bigger than you think. When you pick it up, it's quite heavy. It's actually the heaviest thing on our vehicle. It's still half the weight of water. The difference between water and its own weight is how much it'll float.
So we have this weight of dead components, which is titanium, aluminium, etc. With the foam, what we're able to do is lift the vehicle up and move it forward, back, left, right, up, down. Rather than 2 tons of dead weight on the seabed that we'd have to effectively lift and move and drop back down again. If you look at this block here, it's half a cubic foot and it weighs about 16 pounds. And basically, if you feel the texture and it's like hard china.
Syntactic foam, it's made up of a whole bunch of little tiny glass microspheres filled with air. It's held together with various adhesives and epoxies and whatnot.
If you can imagine putting all of those balls together into that matrix that we've got there, which is the syntactic foam, it means that it's resistant to being crushed under those enormous pressures. You know, the seawater's trying to get in, and it resists that. Pressure acts at 90 degrees to any surface. So if you have things with corners on it, it's acting on those corners, which become pressure points. If you have a complete sphere, then every part of that surface uniformly allows the pressure to dissipate across the surface of the sphere.
There's the titanium lifting structure on the top. We run through frame rods, through the top lifting structure, through the foam, through the frame, and then it's nutted on the bottom side, so it kind of clamps the whole thing together. Plus it transfers the load of the whole weight of the frame up to that top lifting structure.
It's here now. It seems to have met all of the design criteria that we provided, and we'll see how it fits this afternoon.